Hi guys, how you doing? Anthony here with My Diesel Repair. Thank you for watching my video. So we have a customer that has an intermittent problem, and basically, it starts sometimes it goes crazy, doesn't want to start, or just sometimes a bunch of fault codes will pop up. I did one video already where you will get oil in the injector harness, pass over to the engine harness. But this time we have is a different problem. What this is with DD15s with their engine harness, they tend to always get wear. They always wear into the loom just over time, from rubbing. It's a bad design. They do have an update, and I've replaced about several of them. And what I found here, just by looking at this is your charged air cooler outtake pressure sensor, and what I found is the wires are rubbing together. It's bare wire inside there. So let me go ahead and cut that open and we'll see. I need to get set up with some stuff here. It's alright, like I was saying, as you can see that, my camera will focus. Oh no, my camera won't focus. Here, let me change shoes. Oh, let me switch sides. Okay, well anyways, it's right here, it's bare wire, it's rubbing against the other wire here. And that's where we're getting our short at. So keep in mind, when you have a DD15, kind of, if you ever run across a problem like that, more than likely it'll be either the oil coming through the injector harness, or it will be a wiring problem like this. The wire gets brittle, the loom gets brittle, and it just goes bad. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like, and please comment. Thank you.